I am Pandey JANARDDAN, Chairman of Mega Link Chains India Limited. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. At Mega Link Chains, we manufacture grade 30, grade 40, grade 80 and grade 100 chains. Our range goes from 4 millimeter up till 36 millimeter. Our chains are used for various applications like marine, heavy load lifting, heavy industry, mining, offshore, onshore, oil rigs, and a lot of construction activities. We have two manufacturing facilities. In one, we manufacture steel chains, and another one, we manufacture steel wire ropes used for different lifting applications. We also have a manufacturing facility in China and offices in Germany, US, UAE, and India. So we cater to a lot of material handling products. Other than steel wire ropes and chains, we supply electrical chain hoist, wire rope hoist, different rigging equipments. We are a one-stop solutions for all material handling requirements.